Okay, it's a Glock 42 and a Glock 43, 389mm. They're the Glock's two small pistols. I've had the Glock 42 for a while. I really like it. With the magazine in it, I'm able to keep all my fingers on the grip, and it allows me to rapid fire. The Glock 43, we'll see today. I haven't shot this yet. We'll find out if it's the same. Size-wise, I mean, they're virtually identical. The 43 is just a little bit longer. It's about 1/4 of an inch longer. You can look up the specs online. I really have liked this 42, and I've carried it quite a bit. I've carried it in a very small holster that also same holster. The 42 came with a couple of different mags. It came with one mag that has the pinky extension, one that does not. We'll see if there's any difference there. Also came with a mag loading tool, which doesn't make a lot of sense since it's only a 6-round mag. It loads real easy. The 42 also comes with a 6-round mag. So I'm going to shoot the 42 first, and then shoot the 43. Silver Bear ammunition I'm using, which I've never shot in this before, so not exactly the greatest stuff. Generally speaking, I'm a little better with this. I'm shooting like way high. Wow, that was not an inspiring run. We'll see if the 42 does, or I'm sorry, the 43 does a little bit better for me. These are just Fiocchi, fairly cheap, I don't know, 15 range. And I'm using the one without the pinky extension first, seeing if it causes my hand to have to readjust after shots. And right there, my pinky's kind of coming off, so we'll wind up seeing. We'll see if it does that also with the pinky extension. Yeah, that worked out quite a bit better with the pinky extension. There's, I think the Glock store online sells something that you replace this piece here with a block about yay big. It adds, I think, 2 rounds to the magazine, but it also gives you, a little bit more purchase on there. I have kind of small hands to begin with. I mean, I can keep my entire hand on the Glock 380, and with the pinky extension, I can on the Glock 43 as well. Without the pinky extension, with just the regular magazine, my hand does slide off. So if you have hands that are bigger at all, it's likely that you'll shoot and then your pinky will slip, causing your grip here to change, and then you'll have to kind of come back up on the gun. So the Glock 42 and the Glock 43.